You can't stop Mother Nature. No matter how hard you try, she always wins. But what you can do is survive it. You're no longer at the whims of the element, and neither is your lawn. Introducing from Turf Titan, Lawn Kelper. Win the battle with Mother Nature. To secure victory against the elements, Lawn Kelper's technology turns towards the deep. Extracts of high-quality seaweed and kelp aren't just sitting on the bottom of the ocean. Now, they're keeping your lawn victorious. Harsh conditions stress grass and plants. Lawn Kelper reduces that stress, whether it's heat, drought, or wind, while naturally increasing growth, as it has on millions of lawns before yours. As the ultimate lawn and garden helper, Lawn Kelper's goal is to feed and protect, allowing your grass to more efficiently absorb fertilizer, nutrients, and minerals. If your lawn is now looking naturally healthy year-round, if Mother Nature can't get a foothold in her fight against your grass, then Lawn Kelper is doing its job. Turf Titan, may the best lawn win.